and welcome back to our channel. If you are joining us for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notified when I upload every new video on cooking. So today we are going to be cooking soft layered chapati. So I'm going to show you my own way on how I prepare my own chapatis, and they are very soft and golden brown. So let's get started. So on to our ingredients today of making our chapatis. We are going to be needing our 4 cups of flour. We're going to be needing 3 teaspoons of sugar. 3 teaspoons of sugar. We're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to be needing extra flour to dust our surfaces when we are rolling our chapatis. Then we're going to be needing our cooking oil. Here's our cooking oil. Then we're going to be needing some warm water. It's not hot and it's not cold. It's just warm. So warm water here. So now we're going to be making our dough. So let's get started. So into your wheat flour, add your sugar like that, and salt. Then we are going to mix our dry ingredients so that our sugar and salt mix so well with the flour. So our dry ingredients are well mixed with the flour. So now we are going to be adding our water little by little. So my hands are clean. I washed them very well. So I'm making my dough. So I've been kneading my flour and now it is this sticky. So I'm adding some 5 tablespoons of oil. 3, 4, 5. And then now I'm going to knead my unga until it is soft. So we're going to knead until the oil has blended in so well with our dough. This is where the secret lies. You have to knead your flour so well that it becomes soft and ready. So keep on kneading for about 10 minutes. So I've been kneading my flour for about 10 minutes. You can see I'm not even using a lot of energy, and my flour is almost ready. It's no longer sticking on my fingers. You can see I've not even washed my fingers. My fingers are clean and I've been kneading my flour. It's no longer sticking on my fingers, neither is it sticking on my basin. So this means my flour is almost ready. So I'm going to pour some a half tablespoon of oil. Just smear it like that, cover it, and then we're going to let our flour rest for about 10 minutes. Then we can come back and check. So you're going to smear some oil like that. You're going to cover it with your kitchen towel, put it in a warm place, and let it rest for about 10 minutes. So we'll be back after 10 minutes. So my dough has been resting for about 10 minutes, and so you can see when I press it, it is automatically coming up. So this is my dough is ready, and it is very soft. It is very soft. So I cover it with oil so that it cannot dry up. So if you don't cover it with oil, don't smear oil on top, it will dry up. So I didn't want to dry up. I smeared some oil, then I covered it. So now we're going straight to making our small balls. So I'm going to show you my own way on how I make my own balls. There are different ways of making balls. So I'm going to divide it into smaller balls like this first. You can see it's not even sticking, so this means it's super ready. another one, and the last one. So this is our last one. So now into making our balls, we're going to dust our surface where I'm going to roll my stuff like that. Then you're going to bring in your flour. Then I'm going to start rolling. We don't need a perfect circle just because we are making the smaller balls. So you can just roll it into a shape of your desire. So like that. Then now we're going to add some oil, smear it on top. That all sides. Then you're going to roll it upwards like that. Tuck it in on both ends, tuck in your flour and roll it. So once you have been rolling it like that, then you're going to cut it into different sizes like that. Then dust your surface and you're going to press it like that. Surface like that. Making a perfect ball. So I'm putting it on my plate. Like that. Take your second ball and repeat the same process. Rolling. So we're going to roll our chapatis. So you're going to dust your rolling surface like that. Then roll your chapatis into a small circle like that. once you have gotten the desired size, you're going to fry it in your pan. So my pan has been heating up, so I'm going to fry it for some few, like 10 seconds, while I'm rolling the others. So you don't need to apply so much pressure, just some little energy. And you get your circle just like that. So you can see it has started cooking on the other side and the upper side is dry. So this means it's ready to turn. We need to obtain those small brown spots like that. So we're now going to start frying our chapatis. So you apply oil like that. Then you turn your chapatis. And then I'm using this spoon to keep pressing so that they can cook evenly on all the sides. Then you can see it is golden brown. So we are turning this other side like that. Then again, add oil on the on the side, to the other side, like that. Then you're gonna need to keep pressing. So I'm going to turn this other side, which is not cooked also. It's also golden brown. So I'm going to turn your chapatis. You can see it is well cooked, very brown. That color, that yellow color is very appetizing, I can tell you. So you can see they are ready. Turning this other side also. So keep turning, applying some little pressure so that it can cook well. Like that. Check the other side, it's well cooked, brown. Turn this other side, which is not cooked. So you can see our chapati is golden brown. Yeah, so that is the color we need. So we're gonna need to keep frying the others. We're going to keep frying the others also. It's well cooked again, brown, not burnt. You can see this is the color that we need. This is the color that we need. That is done. Take the other chapati. So I fried two chapatis. If you can't fry two, it's okay. You can just keep frying one by one, according to how you prefer it.